Installation guide for motorized roller shades. Measure and mark the location of the mounting bracket above the window. Recommended distance from wall is 4 inches. The mounting bracket aligns the position of the markings and marks the location of the punched holes for fixing. Put in the screw plugs after punching the holes. Use screws to secure the mounting bracket. The other side is fixed in the same way. Tip: mounting brackets need to be on the same parallel line. Outside window and wall installation. 4 inches up the window frame. Use screws to secure the mounting bracket. Push the valance slot forward against the mounting bracket. And then snap it upwards. Then release your hand and the installation is complete. If blinds need to be removed, you need to push the valance in harder. Then tilt it down and pull it down. Then you can remove the blinds. The remote control is ready to use with the batteries installed.